Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week's creative strategy is an idea that I think you're really going to like. It's a simple way to add a 3D effect using a layered die cut, so let's take a closer look. This brochure was designed for the Aerospace Engineering Department at the University of Colorado Boulder, and the universe and aerospace technology is so cool and visual as subject matter to work with, so they created a 5-panel, 10-page, oversized accordion fold that had the real estate for a pretty heavy amount of written content, plus lots of space for a very cool layered die cut technique that spans across all 5 panels. You can see that each panel holds a different component of the image, and when combined, the result is a 3D image of outer space. These brochures were printed 4-color with a flood satin aqueous coating on an 80-pound gloss-coated cover and were mailed in a clear envelope. They were also set upright on a table for an eye-catching display and given out at trade shows. I really like the creative use of die cuts and the oversized accordion format. It just works. This technique isn't just for accordions, by the way. You can do this with roll folds and trifolds and any brochure with overlapping panels, but the beauty of using the accordion is that you can really get the space to open up between the panels while keeping the same view. So imagine if this was a roll fold, the panels would stay tight and then unroll one at a time, changing the reveal. Switch to a cross fold and the layers would be removed one at a time. So all great solutions with the right concept, and that's where your creativity comes into play. A very special thanks to the creators of the sample featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.